When you judge others, you do not define them, you define yourself. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become reality. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious is the time you have to spend, whether it's at work or with your family. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored. You are now, and you do become what you think about. Our attitude toward life determines life's attitude towards us. Wherever there is danger, there lurks opportunity. Wherever there is opportunity, there lurks danger. The two are inseparable. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. Don't let the fear of the time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. The time will pass anyway. We might just as well put that passing time to the best possible use. Every one of us is the sum total of their own thoughts. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. People who have goals succeed because they know where they're going. It's that simple. Each of us must live off the fruit of his thoughts in the future, because what you think today and tomorrow, next month, and next year, you will mold your life and determine your future. You are guided by your mind. A person who does not read is no better than one who cannot read. No man can get rich himself unless he enriches others. A great attitude does much more than turn on the lights in our worlds. It seems to magically connect us to all sorts of serendipitous opportunities that were somehow absent before we changed. We become what we think about. The more intensely we feel about an idea or a goal, the more assuredly the idea, buried deep in our subconscious, will direct us along the path to its fulfillment. The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice. It is conformity. Success is not the result of making money. Making money is the result of success, and success is in direct proportion to our service. Everything you and I will ever have will come to us as the result of the way we use our minds, the one thing we possess that makes us different from all other creatures. Even if our home burns down, we can rebuild it. But the things that we got for nothing, we can never replace. A good deal of frustration and unhappiness could be avoided if people would just do what they know they should do. 1. You will become what you think about. 2. Remember the word imagination. Let your mind soar. 3. Courage. Concentrate on your goal every day. 4. Save 10% of what you earn. And action. Ideas are worthless unless we act on them. The only person who succeeds is the person who is progressively realizing a worthy ideal. It's the person who says, "I'm going to become this," and then progressively works toward that goal. Don't concern yourself with the money. Be of service. Build, work, dream, create. Do this, and you'll find there is no limit to the prosperity and abundance that will come to you. Everything that's really worthwhile in life came to us free. Our minds, our souls, our bodies, our hopes, our dreams, our ambitions, our intelligence, our love of family and children and friends and country. Nothing great was ever accomplished without inspiration. What the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Ideas are worthless unless we act on them.